Dholida, Dholida.
Welcome to the tutorial for Dholida. Say hi to Dino. We're going to dance together. Let's begin. Step 1. We're going to use our jazz hands. Shake the palms flat. Make a big circle around on the right and then a big circle around on the left. Continue to use your jazz hands diagonally. Another pulling diagonally. And now we're going to go around and sway in place till the first step begins. Now we're going to do 2 taps on the right, 2 taps on the left, third tap on the left and skip back 3 times gently. So we're walking forward with the tapping motion. 2 on the right, 2 taps on the left, again on the right and skip, skip, skip back gently. Now, first version of the chorus step. We're going to place our hands on the hips and take that right leg in the air, make 2 circles, and then 2 circles, that is, and then we're going to kick that back leg twice. We're going to use our namaste hands and shake it up in the air like that. We're going to do 2 circles on the right and shake, shake. Now, same thing on the other side, the left side, left 2 circles and kick that back leg, shake, shake, namaste hands. Nice. Now we're going to do the fast version of the chorus step. The job of the right leg is to always turn and kick that knee up like that. Turn, kick knee up and place it down. And now the left leg supports just as a knee kick up, places down. Again, the right leg goes turn, kick, place. And left leg goes kick and place. As you do the left kick, place, last time you clap your hands above your head. One more time. And the last time we clap our hands. Now this is how it looks when done fast. First pattern, kick and turn, kick, clap, kick, turn, kick, kick, turn, kick, clap, kick, turn, kick, third time. Third pattern, and now after the third time we're going to come up skipping gently twice with hands swaying to the side. Skip up, sway to the side. One more time, here we go. Skip up, hands swaying to the side, and now go back in around and kick that left leg out, placing the hands by your right shoulder. One more time. Go round, 2, 3 and kick the left leg out. If you can't do that round, simply come back. Use your hands to place it by your shoulders and kick that left leg out. Great job. Now we're going to do a transition step. We're going to take a step with our right foot and touch with our left foot but turning back. So step and touch back. So a step, touch, step, touch. The touch leg rotates and steps back. Hands are going to go up in the air and down. Up and down, up and down. You can cross your hands up in the air or click your hands up in the air. Freestyle it. Now we're going to take that elbow, right elbow, place the left hand below it, and we're going to twist and kick. We're going to do this tap. So twist and tap on each side. You can take this motion and travel around. Here we go. Twist and tap. Turn, twist and tap, tap, twice, traveling and back looking in the front. Now, you're going to place your hands on the side and you're going to tap that right leg, waiting for the music for the next steps to begin. That's going to be another transition step. Now, you're going to take that right elbow, start with closing it, close and jump up, open, close again and open. Now, you don't have to do the jumping. You can just do your elbows. You're going to repeat the same thing on the left side. Close and open. Close and open. Third time, right side, close and open. You do it 4 times each time. After the third time, you're going to push down twice and then make that nice big pizza twice and flip it up. All right, here's how it looks. Close and open and close and open, switch close and open, close and open, third time close, open on the right side, and push down, big pancake and throw it up, or a dosa and throw it up. Now we're going to do the fast version of the ending portion. You're going to repeat it in a pattern. So here's how it's going to look. You're going to skip up 4 times. You can take your hands around you or just throw them up in the air. Now go back 4 times, pushing that air side to side, and then clap 3 times. One more time, up, and 2, and 3, and 4. Go back, and 2, and 3, and 4, and clap, 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 and you're all set to dance.
ढोलीड़ा ढोलीड़ा सैयर वाली सैयर में हिच लई गरबे घुमो ढोलीड़ा ना ढोल बाजा धम 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 धमक धम ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे गज गज रे ढोल पे हवा ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे बिगड़ा जाए जरा जरा दिल मेरा खुल के नाचूं शर्माए दिल मेरा